This is Laxey Bay Marine Nature Reserve, and this is dominated by sandy seabeds. It's also got some maerl, which is a pink coralline algae in it, but most of the species we find here are sand-dwelling animals. So things like burrowing worms, burrowing sea urchins, seagrass beds, and also this species, which is the Arctic clam. Now this one's a juvenile. They get darker as they get older and can live for as long as 500 years. Laxey Bay was originally set up as a marine protected area as an experiment for restocking scallops, which were brought over from Ireland. Now that wasn't successful, but there are still some scallops in the bay, and they help repopulate and restock the fishing grounds offshore. One of the other important visitors to Laxey area is a pod of bottlenose dolphins which come up from Cardigan Bay every winter.